Hello everyone. In 7th standard, you have learned about simple interest. But today, our topic is simple interest and compound interest. Means, what is the difference between simple interest and compound interest? What is simple interest? The interest calculated on the original principal at the given rate throughout long period is called simple interest. And what is compound interest? When the interest is not paid as soon as it falls due but is added to the principal, so that the amount at the end of the period becomes the principal, is called compound interest. We will differentiate between simple interest and compound interest through example. For example, we take money 10,000 from a bank and rate 3% per annum and time for 2 years. How can you find the simple interest? Simple interest formula P into R into T over 100. 10,000 multiply 3 multiply 2 over 100. 3 2s are 6. Means 600 is simple interest. And how can you find the amount? Amount is equal to P plus SI. Means 10,000 plus 600 is equal to rupees 10,600 its amount. Now we will find compound interest. Principal is equal to rupees 10,000, rate 3%, time 2 years. And first formula, according to first formula, P means P1. Simple interest 1 P into R into T over 100. Now we will take T 1 year, 2 year, total 2 years. P 10,000 multiply 3 multiply 1 over 100 means rupees 300 is simple interest. And amount 1 10,000 plus 300 is equal to rupees 10,300. Now amount of the first year will be principal of the second year, means A1 is equal to P2 rupees 10300 and SI2 will be P into R into T over 100. P2 is equal to rupees 10,300 and time rate 3 and time 1 plus 1 2 year, 1 year more, 100 means 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 309 rupees SI2 means amount to principal plus SI. Principal 10300 plus 309 means 10609. And formula of compound interest is equal to last amount या final amount minus original principal. Final amount 10609 minus original principal 10,000 minus 609 is simple interest. Compound interest. Now second method How can you find the compound interest? Amount is equal to formula P into 1 plus R over 100 and miss time. Amount P 10,000, 1 plus R 3% over 100 time 2 years. 10,000. Now take LCM. 100 plus 3, 103 means 1000 multiply 103 over 100, 103 over 100. Cutting and multiply 103 multiply 103 10609 and compound interest is equal to A minus P. Amount is 10609 and P 10,000 609. Answer is same. You can adopt any method. First method is simple method, second method is method. Okay students. Students, exercise 10.1 is not in syllabus. In the notes, I have solved problems using method 1 in campus care. Here, I will teach using method 2. Question number 1. Calculate the compound interest on rupees 7,000 at 9% per annum for 2 years. Yes. Second method, amount is equal to P into 1 plus R over 100 and miss time. Here principal is 7,000, rate is 9% or time 2 years. Yes. 7,000, 109 over 100, 7,000 multiply 109 multiply 109 because it is 2 times and 0 this 0. Now multiply 109 multiply 109 7 8 3 1 6 7 over 10. Now amount is rupees 8,316 rupees 70 paise. Now compound interest will be final amount minus principal. Final amount is 8316.70. Principal is 7,000. This is answer. Now question number 3. 2 is same, 3 also same, but we will do. A person borrowed rupees 12,000 to purchase a DVD. What is the compound interest and amount to pay after 2 years if the rate of interest is 5%? Principal rupees 12,000, rate 5% and time is equal to 2 years. Amount is equal to P 12,000. 1 plus 5 over 100 and is equal to 2. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 12,000. 1 and 20 ones are 20. Yes. 1 over 22. 12,000. 21 over 20. 21 over 20. 2 6s are 12 and 2 3s are 6. Now after solving 21, 21s are 441, 30. Rupees 13230 is 13,230 is amount. Now compound interest is equal to A minus P. Amount is 13230 minus 12,000. Compound interest is 1230. Now question number 4, 5, 6, 7 are same. See your book. Question number 8. A person invests rupees 6,000 for 2 years at a certain rate of interest compounded yearly. If the sum amounts to rupees 6,540 at the end of the year, calculate the rate of the interest per year and the amount at the end of the second year. Yes, principal is equal to rupees 6,000 and amount rupees 6,540. Formula same. 1 plus R over 100 and amount is 6540. Principal 6,000. 1 plus R over 100 and time 1 year. You should find the R. 6540, 6,000 this side we will divide plus R over 100. Now cutting, 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are 54. Means 109 over 100. 1 plus this side will be minus R over 100. Is 109 minus 100 over 100 is equal to R over 100. Is 9 over 100, 100 R. R is equal to 9%. Now first question solved. Second, amount of the second year. Amount, same formula, is P 6,000. 1 plus 9 over 100 time 2 years. Amount is equal to 6,000. 109 over 100. 2. Amount is equal to 6,000. 109 over 100 multiply 100. And amount is equal to rupees 10. 109 multiply 6. 11881 multiply 6 is 17128.60 is answer.